I was looking for a living room clock, and there are a lot of options out there. This flip clock is kinda cool. It is powered by two LR14 C size batteries. Has a notch for wall mounting and time adjustment knob. Plastic cover can be removed, but I keep it on cause it protects from dust, and when it's on, clock sounds a little bit quieter. When minutes flip, it sounds like soft mouse click, but when hour flips, it bangs louder. This is definitely not a clock for bedroom. Clock is made in China. Doesn't feel it could survive a fall or knock, so you must be careful with it. These hourly flips gives a better feeling of time flow, if that makes sense. All in all, I have it for almost 4 months, and it keeps time and looks cool.